Hello everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. I'm Cassandra Thompson, your 30-something makeup-loving normal gal making videos for other 30-somethings here on YouTube. So today is my everyday makeup drawer for September. I can't believe I'm saying the word September. How this year just went by so fast. And is this the point for anyone else where you start to be like, ugh, the year's almost over? Like, no, it's not. There are 4 months left. There's a lot that can be accomplished in that time. So trying to remind myself of that, including that I can finish up more stuff in my everyday makeup drawer. So today's video is a everyday makeup drawer shop my stash video. I've lost the power of speech. So essentially what that is I go through all my products by category and shop that category and rotate out from what I had last month and put in new stuff for this month. I want to start doing like a review on the month before, and so that'll probably start in October, because I tell you all, yeah, I put this stuff in my everyday makeup drawer, and then I don't tell you if I ended up liking it or not. Some of the products we all know, I wouldn't go through them every month, but some are like, oh, it's this deluxe sample that I've never even touched. I've never tried this before. Let's put it in this month. And then you don't know how I ended up feeling about it. So I will try to start doing review videos as well. If you would like those, please leave a comment letting me know you want to see that. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, let's get started. I didn't use this last month, but there's gunk on it. But I'm going to start using it again. It's the Becca Under Eye Treatment, the Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. I will use it again this month. And then my other primer for my full face is the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40. I want to use this now because I'm looking to see if it has an expiration date. I feel like Supergoop turns quickly. Like, their products will go bad. And so I want to make sure to use as much as possible. I'm trying to see in the light, like, can I see how much I have? It's here. I want to see how much I can use before it goes bad. So those are the primers this month. Okay, so foundation is still Born This Way because that's the only color right now that matches me. Still using my Maybelline Under Eye Corrector. Have whipped out the L'Oreal Magic BB Cream in medium to use up. Who knows, through the month I might be transferring to light. I have, no joke, I have medium, light, and fair. I don't know, guys. So I'll rotate between these two on a daily basis. I have a lot of cream products this month. Last month I had none, this month I have a ton. So I'm using my Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage Concealer. Love it. Then I am trying to finish up the Bye Bye concealer from IT for under my eye. Contour is this one again that I have no clue who it's by because it all wore off and it came in an Ipsy and there's so much of it. So I'm using that again. It looks a little dark, a little orangey, but it doesn't come out too orangey. And then I am using the Nude Sticks Nudies All Over Face Color in, it's like Canadian sounding, Deep Maple, eh? And I have it on my lips today, and it's my cheek color. I really, really like it, so I'm excited for this. This just screams fall. Sorry, I should show you. I'll show you in a second. Let me get this one out first. Then I'm using another Trace highlighter. I like it. It's not an over the top. Can you even see it? I feel like, there you go. I feel like it's not an over-the-top sheen. It's just a pretty nice, like, luminescence. Good, they're using a chainsaw outside. If you can hear that, I'm so sorry. So this, it comes with this, like, stiff brush on this end to blend in, which is really nice. That is the color. I probably wouldn't use it on eye. I know other people have. But it just blends out really nicely. Even for cheek, it looks like it'd be really intense. I just do a little dab, and it does a really good job. And then I rotated bins, I am down to the good stuff. So my eye primer now is just Shadow Insurance. I don't think I have any more, so I'm staying on this until this is finished. And I love Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I think it's one of the best, if not the best, shadow primer. Okay, I just dropped stuff. So powder. We're back to Wowder because I looked at it in there and saw there's only that much left, and I went, I can finish this month. So I am desperate to finish this powder. So we're gonna finish it this month, and I'm super excited by that. Don't get me wrong, it's a great powder. I just have way too many powders right now, and I wanna just complete one and get it out of the rotation. Blush this month, blush and bronzer is two things. One is this e.l.f. Total Face Palette, and I'm using that bronzer. It's pretty mild. It does have blushes and like a highlight. Can you even see that? The highlight is sort of like an hourglass ambient lining, but I feel like my brush never even picks it up, or if it even does anything to my skin. Same with the blushes. They're so light, and they're dry. This is dry. They're so dry and chalky, but these are really not worth anything. This is good. So I'm using that. After a couple months of cheek blushes that I haven't loved, I didn't love the Benefit ones, I am back to my NYX Sweet Peach and having options. So this is my blush this month, all 8 of them. It really is just so good. I'm gonna do everything but eyeshadow first. I'm going darker on my brows, which my brows need to be done. Please do not judge my brows. They look horrible. I don't know if you can see, but there's little hairs underneath. That's terrible. But I'm using the Essence Make Me Brow, which looks way too dark. And it is kind of dark, but I'm kind of liking it for fall to go a little darker. Then eyeliner. My new Marc Jacobs highliner in, it's Midnight something. Midnight in Paris. I love this. I have it on today on my waterline on just the top, and I like it. It adds some depth without being as harsh as black. And then on the bottom, I'm back to my Rimmel Scandalize in Nude. This is great. I have it on my lower, just dropped it. Wouldn't be a video if I didn't drop something. I have this on my lower lash line, and it's wonderful. And then just because I know they dry out fast, and I bought it a year ago, if I do want brown instead, I'm using my L'Oreal in Espresso. It's L'Oreal Infallible Gel Liner, and it's in a pot, and you got to take your brush and dab it on. But I love it, so I'm using that. And then it's a Better Than Sex by Too Faced mascara this month, though this already feels pretty dry. I mean, I know it's a dry mascara to begin with, but it feels a little dried out. I have it on today. So if this goes really quick, I'll be pulling another one. Although I'm looking at it and I think I have 2 more Too Faced Better Than Sex. I don't know how that happened this year. I just ended up getting a lot of those. I really wanted to keep playing with my Soft Glam and my White Peach because I got this and I loved it, and then I got this right after, and this is the star. This is the best palette of the year. This is an amazing palette. This is the best palette of my lifetime, I'll be honest. But I really like this too. I kind of like the soft looks they give. I want to see if I can darken them up a little bit more for fall. It might be fun to play with. So I wanted these. Then, if you watched my favorites, I stole this from my mom because she didn't love it as much as I did. This is the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted. It's their like peach dupe. And I really like it. And I feel like all 3 of these play really well together. And so I kind of want to mix and match. Plus, my Norvina palette is coming. So my Anastasia Norvina palette will show up soon. And I got it because I loved this one so much. I think it looks a little princessy. From pictures, it looks like a lot of pinks and purples without a lot of depth to create to it. So I kind of want to use it mix and match with these. So yes, this month I have 4 palettes that I am playing with. You do what you gotta do. Lastly, finishing touches. The e.l.f. illuminating palette, which is kind of a dupe for the Hourglass illuminating powders. This, ironically, I love, even though it's in the cheaper packaging, and I think I got this free from something. The other one I went out and bought. This one I love. This is a dupe for Dim Light from Hourglass, and I have it on today. And so I just want to use more of this. I would recommend buying this if you don't want to invest in the Hourglass ones. Is it as good? No. But it's still good. I have it all over my face today, all the different colors. And I think it looks nice. So I'm using this as my finishing. And then the Too Faced Peach Mist Mattifying Setting Spray. I think I'm close to finish. This was in last month too. This was my setting spray. I'm close to done. And so I want to finish it off. And then when it's done, I will go to my Urban Decay All Nighter. So I'm very, very happy about that. I'm definitely going to keep using that Nude Sticks on my lip, but also, this is crazy. So, if you saw my Sephora haul, I actually got the samples I asked for. And one of those was a sample from NARS. This is the picture you see, right? So, it's this NARS sample, and it came, and it's 8 little, little pill-shaped forms of lipstick. But I opened one, and here's the thing, these are not glosses. These are straight up lipsticks. So I put my brush in and used it yesterday, and you can see like nothing's gone. So essentially, if you stacked each of these on top of each other, it's like having a full-size lipstick, just in multiple colors. So I'm leaving these out, and each day I'm just gonna kind of experiment with different ones, and I'm trying to make sure that they kind of get sat down in a way where they stay a little bit closer to sealed up, so they don't dry out. But I'm going to be using those this month as my lipstick sitting at my desk. And then when I go out, it's whatever's in the purse. So that is everything for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you know when new videos come out. And right now, you should be getting suggestions of other videos I think you'd like. So please keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!